friends, hi everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Today we are going to look part 23 of Profit and Loss is about dishonest dealer. Okay. Question number 6 of part 23. A trader cheats both his supplier and his customer by using faulty weights. When he buys from the supplier, he takes 20% more than the indicated weight. He takes 20% more than the indicated weight. When he sells to his customer, he gives 20% less than the indicated weight. Yes, when he purchases from the supplier, he takes 20% more than the indicated weight. When he sells to his customer, he gives 20% less than the indicated weight. If he sells his articles at cost price, and he sells his articles at the cost price, what is his net profit? Okay. ఒక వ్యాపారి అతని సరఫరాదారుడిని మరియు వినియోగదారుడిని తప్పుడు బరువులతో మోసం చేసింది. అతను కొనుగోలు చేసే సమయంలో చూపించిన బరువు కంటే 20% అధిక బరువు ఉన్న సరుకును తీసుకోలేను. అమ్మే సమయంలో చూపించిన బరువు కంటే 20% తక్కువ బరువు ఉన్న సరుకును అమ్మెను. ఇలా అతని సరుకును కొనుగోలు ధరకే అమ్మితే అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? ఎస్, లెట్ us see the solution. Consider the ratio of initial value to final value. And we know that from the part 22 of profit and loss, initial value is always lesser value, final value is always greater value. Okay? Yes. Given that when he buys from the supplier, he takes 20% more than the indicated weight. 20% fraction value is 1/5. That means if 5 units are indicated weight, then he takes 1 unit more than the indicated weight. That is, actually he has to take 5 kgs of goods. Instead of 5 kgs of goods, he takes 6 kgs of goods. Okay. And when he sells to his customer, he gives 20% less than the indicated weight. Here we use 20% less means it is negative. Fraction value is 1/5 kgs. Okay. Actually, he has to give 5 kgs of weight. He has to give 5 kgs of weight. Instead of 5 kgs, he gives only 4 kgs. That is 1 kg goods less. So, kgs gets cut. Yes, we always take initial value as lesser value, final value as greater value. Initial value as lesser value, final value as greater value. So, his net profit is overall effect. That is 5 gets cut, 2 2s, 2 3s. Overall effect is 2:3. So, he gets 1 unit profit over 2 units. That is nothing but 50% profit. As we get plus 1, we get 50% profit. That is, his net profit is 50%. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. A dishonest shopkeeper makes a cheating of 22.5% at the time of buying the goods and 6.66% cheating at the time of selling goods. He promised to sell his goods at 11.11% loss. Find the profit percentage. ఒక దుకాణదారుడు సరుకును కొనే సమయంలో 22.5% మోసం చేసి అమ్మే సమయంలో 6.66% మోసం చేసింది. అతను తన సరుకును 11.11% నష్టానికి అమ్ముతున్నానని చెప్పాను. అయినా అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? Yes. Dishonest shopkeeper cheating at the time of buying the goods, at the time of selling the goods. And he says that he promises to sell his goods at 11.11% loss. So find his profit percentage. Initial value, final value. Consider ratio of initial value to final value. And we know that if shopkeeper cheating at the time of buying and selling the goods, so he cheating 22.5% at the time of buying goods. That means 22.5 can be written as 9 times of 2.5%. So it is 9 by 40. Since 2.5% fraction value is 1 by 40 and it is 9 times of 2.5%. So fraction value of 32.5% is 9 by. That means we have to always take lesser value as initial value, greater value as final value. He has to take 40 kg of goods. Instead of 40 kg goods, he takes 49 kg of goods at the time of buying the goods. Okay. And 6.66% cheating at the time of selling goods. 6.66%. Fraction value is 1 by 50. Fraction value is 1 by 50. Since he has to sell 15 kgs of goods, but at the time of selling goods, he gives only 14 kgs of goods. And we know that lesser value is always initial value, final value is always greater value at the time of cheating. Okay. And he promised to sell his goods at 11.11% loss. That is 11.11%. Fraction value is minus 1 by 9. And we know that profit or loss or markup or discount is always expressed in terms of ratio. That is, he has to sell his goods at 9 units, but he get 1 unit loss and sells it to 8 units. Okay. Profit and loss and discount market price are arranged in ratio form, and the cheating cases are taken as lesser value as initial value, greater value as final value. Okay. Let us find net effect. 8 ones are 8 fives are 40. 7 twos are 7 sevens are 49. 3 threes are 3 fives are 5 ones are 2 threes are 6 is to 7 is the net ratio of initial value to final value. That means he gets 1 unit profit over 6 units, and we know that 1 by 6 fraction value is nothing but 16.66% profit. His net profit is 16.66%. So answer is B. Next question. 8th one, important one. A dishonest dealer defrauds to the extent of X% in buying as well as selling his goods by using faulty weight. What will be the gain percent on his outlay? ఒక మోసపూరిత వ్యాపారి సరుకును కొనే సమయంలో మరియు అమ్మే సమయంలో X% మేరకు తప్పుడు బరువును ఉపయోగించి మోసం చేస్తాడు. మొత్తం లావాదేవీలో అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? So consider the ratio of initial value to final value. Yes. Suppose he has to take 100 kgs of goods. Instead of 100 kgs of goods, he takes 100 plus X kgs of goods while he buying the goods. Okay. And while he selling the goods, he has to sell 100 kgs of goods. Instead of 100 kgs, he sells 100 minus X kgs of goods. Okay. Yes. Initial value always lesser value, final value always greater value. That's it. Let us find the net effect of initial value to final value. 100 gets cancelled. Net effect is 100 minus X is 100 plus x. Consider the difference. Difference is 100 plus x minus 100 minus x. Difference of these two ratios is profit. So that is 100 plus x minus 100 minus of minus plus x. Profit is x plus x, 2x units. Yes, there is a 2x units profit over initial value 100 minus x into 100% profit. Percentage is this one, which is equal to 2 into 100, 200x by 100 minus x percent profit. So his profit percentage is D, 200x by 100 minus x percent. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. A shopkeeper marks his goods 24% above the CP and gives 15% discount to customer. While he's selling, he gives 101 grams less in each 1 kg goods. For every 1 kg goods, he gives 101 grams less goods. Find his profit percent. ఒక దుకాణదారుడు తన సరుకులపై కొన్న వేల మీద 24% అధిక వేలను ముద్రించి వినియోగదారునికి 15% రుసుము ప్రకటిస్తాడు. మరియు సరుకును అమ్మే సమయంలో ప్రతి కేజీ బరువుకు 101 గ్రాముల తక్కువ బరువు ఉన్న సరుకును అమ్ముతాడు. అయినా అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? సో ఆల్వేస్ we consider initial value to final value ratio, and initial value is always lesser value, final value is always greater value. 24% fraction values, it can be written as 6 times of 4%. 4% means 1 by 25, that is 6 into 4% means 6 by 25. The cost price of goods is 25 units. He marks 6 units more, that is 31 units. And he allows 15% discount. He gives 15% discount to the customer. That is 3 into 5%. 5% is 1 by 20. Since it is 3 times of 5%, fraction value is 3 by 20. Since it is discount, and we know that profit percent or loss percent or discount percent are always written in the form of ratio form. That is, out of 20 units worth goods, he gives 3 units as discounts. That is, he sells the goods at 70 units. And while he is selling the goods, he gives 101 grams less in each 1 kg goods. Actually, he has to give 1000 grams goods. 1000 grams goods. Instead of 1000 gram goods, he gives 101 grams less. That means he gives only 899 grams. Grams gets cancelled. So 0, 0, 25 twos are 50, 50 twos are 100. Okay. Yes. 31 ones are 31 29s are. So final ratio of initial value to final value is 29 is 17 twos are 34. He gets 5 units profit over 29 units. Suppose it is approximately equal to 29 is nearby 30. So which is equal to 1 by 6. That is, percentage value of 1 by 6 is 16.66%. So that is nearby 17. So answer is A, 17.24%. Next question, very important question. 10th question. A shopkeeper marks up his goods 35% above the CP and gives 23% discount to the customer. At the time of buying, he uses 1120 grams instead of 1 kg. And at the time of selling the goods, he gives 80 grams weight instead of 1 kg. ఫైండ్ హిస్ ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సన్. ఎస్, ఒక దుకాణదారుడు తన సరుకులపై కొన్న వేల పైన 35% అధిక వేలను ముద్రించి వినియోగదారునికి 23% రుసుము ప్రకటిస్తాడు. ఆ దుకాణదారుడు తన సరుకులు కొనే సమయంలో 1 కేజీ సరుకు బదులు 1120 గ్రాముల సరుకును తీసుకొనేను మరియు అమ్మే సమయంలో 1 కేజీ సరుకు బదులు 880 గ్రాముల సరుకు మాత్రమే అమ్మాను. అయినా అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. So consider the ratio of initial value to final value, and we know that initial value always lesser value, final value always greater value. And in this type of question, profit percent or loss percent or markup or discount percent always forms in the ratio form. Always forms in the ratio form. Okay, and faulty weights are expressed in initial value to final value ratio, that is lesser value to highest value. Okay, yes. Marks up is 35%. What is 35% fraction value? That is 7/20. That means 7 into 5% is 35%. 5% value is 1/20. So 35% value is 7/20. That is 20 units cost price goods are marked 7 units more. That is 27 units. Okay, that is markup ratio. The markup is always forms in ratio form. Okay, yes. And he gives 23% discount. That means for every 100 rupee he gives 23 rupee discount. So he sells at 77 units. Okay. At the time of buying, he uses 1120 gram instead of 1 kg. Actually, he has to take 1000 grams goods. Instead of 1000 grams, he takes 1120 grams. This is faulty weight. Faulty weights are always arranged in lesser value to greater value ratio. And at the time of selling goods, he gives 880 grams weight instead of 1 kg. Actually, he has to give 1000 grams goods. Instead of 1000 grams, he gives only 880 grams. Yes, this is the actual process. Okay, consider the net ratio of initial value to final value. 1000 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 11 sevens are 11 eights are 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 2 tens are 2 sevens are 100 into 10, 1000 is 27 into 7 sevens are 49, 27 into 49. Consider the product 49, 27. We use crisscross multiplication. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28, 9 2s are 18, 28 18 46, 28 plus 18, that is 46, 9 7s are 63. So balance the equation, drop 3, carry 6, 46 plus 6 52, drop 2, carry 5, 5 plus 8 13. That is 1000 is 1323. Okay, that is 100 is 132.3. Divide each term of the ratio by 10, we get 100 is 132.3. So that is initial value is 100 units, final value is 132.3 units. There is a profit of 32.3%. Okay, since the profit made on 100 units, so it is directly gives us percentage. So answer is 32.3% is his profit. Okay, next question, 11th one. Instead of a meter scale, a cloth merchant uses 120 centimeter while buying, but uses 80 centimeter scale while selling same cloth. If he offers a discount of 20% on each payment, what is his overall profit percent? ఒక బట్టల వ్యాపారి బట్టలు కొనేటప్పుడు 1 మీటర్ స్కేలుకు బదులు 120 సెంటీమీటర్ల స్కేలును, అవే బట్టలు అమ్మే సమయంలో 80 సెంటీమీటర్ల స్కేలును ఉపయోగిస్తాడు. మరియు ప్రతి వినియోగదారుని కొనుగోలు ధరపై 20% రుసుము ప్రకటిస్తాడు. అయినా అతని లాభ శాతం ఎంత? We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Solution. Consider the ratio of initial value to final value. Yes. While buying the cloth, he uses 120 centimeter scale instead of 100 and uses 80 centimeter scale while selling same cloth. Actually, he has to use 1 meter scale, that is 100 centimeter scale. Instead of 100 centimeter scale, he uses or he gives only 80 centimeter cloth. Okay. And he offers discount of 20%. 20%. Since it is discount, it is arranged in the ratio form. 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. Since it is discount, we get minus symbol. That is 5 units clothes. On 5 units clothes, 1 unit is discount. So selling price is 4 units only. Okay. Yes. Consider the net ratio of initial value to final value. 100 gets cancelled. 0, 0. 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 6. So final ratio of initial value to final value is 5:6. That is, there is a 1 unit profit over 5. So his profit is 20%. His profit is 20%. Answer is A. Next and last question of this class, 12th one. A shopkeeper promised to sell his goods at CP, but he used a false weight of some grams instead of 945 grams. Yes, he used false weight of some grams instead of 945 grams, and he gains by 26%. Find false weight. Yeah. ఒక దుకాణదారుడు తన సరుకును అతని కొనుగోలు ధరకి అమ్ముతానని చెప్పాను, కానీ 945 గ్రాముల బరువుకు బదులుగా తప్పుడు బరువును ఉపయోగించాను. తద్వారా 26% లాభం పొందాను. అయినా ఆ తప్పుడు బరువు ఎంత? Options are also less than 945 grams are given. So we have to find lesser weight. So consider the ratio of initial value to final value. Initial value to final value. He has to use 945 grams of weight. Instead of 945 grams of weight, he used some grams of weight. We have to find this one. Okay. And he gains 26% profit. And we know that profit is arranged in the ratio form. That is 13 into 2%. 13 by 50. Yes. 2% fraction value is 1 by 50. 13 times of 2% is 13 by 50. That is 50 units goods are sold at 63 units. Okay. Yes. That is 63 units goods weight is 945 grams. Then what is the weight of 50 units goods? That is how many times? Yes. 9 sevens are 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. Okay. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. 1 unit value is 15 grams. 1 unit value is 15 grams. Then 50 units value is 15 into 50 grams. 15 grams into 50. 15 5s are 750 grams. That is, yes, 750 grams. So he used 750 grams instead of 945 grams. So answer is B. Okay. Okay, students. This completes the part 23 of profit and loss. Thank you. Have a nice day.